Hello everyone, welcome to this intermediate flow. Today we're going to get started seated at the back of the mat. So close your eyes, find a supportive posture, and take your first couple of deeper breaths here on the mat. Visualize the breath traveling down to the base of the lungs, filling up the entire torso. And then take your time with the exhale, allowing it to be controlled and smooth. One more breath just like that. Next time on the exhale, shift into your child's pose. One breath here, and then on the next inhale, we're going to slowly shift in through tabletop position into our cobra. Exhale, let the hips go back towards the feet. And inhale, roll it back forwards. Find a pace that works for you. And listen to your back. You don't have to go so high in your cobra off the bat. Good, now an option. On the next roll forward, you can enter upward facing dog instead, lifting the thighs off the mat, pressing with the hands. Exhale back to child's pose. Inhale, roll forward, lift the thighs. Again, this is only an option. Exhale this time, lift those hips up to downward dog. Take some breaths here, pedal out the ankles. Find that supportive shape in the upper body. Next inhale, we're going to step forward to the top of the mat, find your halfway lift. Exhale to fold and begin to shake the head or nod the head. Start to release the pressure there. Then bring the right hand onto the left side of the head and reach the left arm back for a bit of a deeper neck stretch. Good, come back to the middle, take it to the other side. This time left hand rests on the right side of the head and the right arm reaches back. Pull the head to the left. Good, come back to the middle. Inhale to lift up, connect the palms and bring them to your chest. Find your mountain pose posture. Inhale to lift up, exhale to fold. Inhale halfway, and exhale. Step back to plank, lower to your low plank with or without bringing the knees to the mat. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. And exhale to downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, tuck it in, step it forward, left heel comes down to the ground, and inhale to your warrior one. On the exhale, bring those palms together and lean down towards the knee. Inhale, interlace the fingers into the Kali Mudra. Index fingers point upwards and open the chest. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Step the right foot back. Lower to your chaturanga. Inhale to upward dog. And exhale to downward dog. Take it to the other side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale to tuck it in, step it forward. Pivot the right heel to the mat. And inhale to lift to warrior one. Exhale, we're going to lean down towards the left knee. Interlace the fingers. And inhale, lift back up with the Kali Mudra. Good, exhale, hands come down to the mat. Step the left foot back, chaturanga, inhale, upward dog, and exhale for downward dog. Next inhale, walk it forward, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Maybe go a little deeper this time. Inhale to lift up, back to your mountain pose. Take one breath, and then circle the arms up, On the next exhale, fold. Inhale halfway and exhale, take your vinyasa flow. Step it back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, downward dog. Good. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale to tuck it in, step it forward. Inhale, circle the arms up to your high lunge. Find a good depth. And on the exhale, connect the palms, lean down towards the right leg again. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lean down to the right leg. Inhale, lift. One more, lean down to the right leg. Inhale to lift up. And exhale, bring the left hand down. Inhale, pivot the left heel to the mat and reach the right arm up. Revolve triangle. If you want, you can keep that right knee bent if this is a bit of a struggle. But then from here, we're gonna shift into our runner's lunge and start to step it forward. So left knee steps forward, hold, step it back again. From here, inhale, left leg steps forward, hold. Exhale to step back. Inhale, tuck that knee in, and this time we're gonna hold. Either stay there or try and grab the foot and extend the leg while slowly straightening the rest of the body out. And from here, bend the left knee and keep a bend in the left knee as you lower it to the mat. Left hand connects to the mat and right arm lifts. Try and find a deeper outer right leg stretch. Good, hands come down to the mat. Inhale halfway and walk it back or hop it back to chaturanga. Keep those toes tucked under this time. Enter upward dog and then bend the left knee. Then lift the hips into three-legged dog, touch the toes over the body and enter your flip dog or wild thing. Good, hold, support the shoulder. And bring it back through. You can either enter a normal side plank or try and keep that left knee tucked in. Then pivot back to downward dog. Good job. Take a moment, reset. All right, next inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale to tuck it in, step it forward. Inhale to circle the arms up to high lunge. And exhale, connect the palms, couple more pulses. So bring those elbows down, inhale, lift. Exhale, elbows down, inhale, straighten the spine out again. Exhale, last one, elbows down, inhale, lift up. On the next exhale, right hand comes down, right heel pivots down, and inhale, left arm up. Revolved triangle. Try and extend that left leg if you can. Next exhale, we're gonna pivot back to runner's lunge. Inhale, step the right leg forward to your chest. Exhale, step it back. Take your time. Next inhale, step forward. Exhale to step back. Inhale, step forward. Last one, step back. And this time we're gonna step forward and try and grab onto the foot. If not, just hold that knee to your chest. See if you can find an extension of the right leg. Straighten out the rest of the body where possible. One more breath. And bend the knee, keep a bend in the right knee. Lower the right foot to the mat, lower the right hand to the mat, and inhale, left arm up. Good, next exhale, bring the arm down. And inhale halfway. Exhale, we're gonna walk or hop back to chaturanga. Now keep the toes tucked under, inhale, upward dog. Then bend the right leg and tap the right foot behind you for wild thing. Good, find that shape, press the chest up. And maybe find that more difficult side plank or just enter into a normal one. Good, pivot all the way back to downward dog. Well done. Take some deeper breaths. Visualize the air going all the way down again to the bottom of the lungs and exhaling it out. Next, inhale, walk it forwards, halfway lift. Exhale for that last forward fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And exhale, we're going to sit back into chair pose. Connect the palms, twist to the right, open the arms. Inhale, connect the palms again, reach back forward. Twist to the left, open the arms. Inhale through the middle and exhale, take a seat on the mat. Bring the soles of the feet together, the knees apart for bound angle. Inhale to lift the chest as high as it can go, spine nice and long. And exhale, fold forward if it is within your practice today. Inhale to lift up. Go ahead and make your way onto your back, tuck the knees in, then extend the legs upwards and bring them over to the right. You can enter into a normal spinal twist by bending the knees or trying to hold that extended leg position, but it can be a bit more intense on the back. In both variations, start to breathe deeper. Use the long exhales to relax. Inhale, bring it back to the middle, bend the knees, then re-extend the legs, and take them over to the left. Same thing. Sink in slowly. Good, bring the legs back in, and we'll finish off today's short dose of movement by finding a seat in the middle of the mat and closing off with a bow. Inhale to lift the arms up, and exhale, bring the head towards the hands, and we'll finish there. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this sequence left you feeling refreshed. See you next time.